When you click on the link I gave to you, you come here, you fill in this form. Make sure you enter your correct detail. Your first name, middle name, last name, your gender, your skin tone. You can select fair or dark, anyone. Your email. Make sure that this email is associated with your Gmail, and you're going to use this email to back up or upload your photos on Google. So make sure that you use the correct Gmail. You enter your date of birth, you enter location, you select Nigeria. This works for Nigeria and Kenya for now. You enter your phone number, select the network. You enter your NIN. Make sure your NIN matches with the details that you are putting here. If not, your registration will not go through. So once you are done, you come here. How did you hear about this? Choose a friend and make sure you are seeing this referral code. Make sure that this referral code appears there. Then you come here, select your bank. This is where they will be paying you. You enter your account number, you enter your account name, you select your bank. Then here is important. Here, you choose I confirm. This is to make sure that you are not working with Google, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest. Then here, you choose I am not. This is to make sure that you're not a former employee of the companies listed above. Then lastly, you come here, you click I agree. You click on this box here and you click verify and sign up. If the details you provided are correct, you will be signed up and you will get an email. This is the first email you are going to get if your registration is successful. Then you click on accept invitation. You have to click on accept invitation. Now, when you click on accept invitation, it will take you to a particular page, this page here. When you get to this page, you click on accept invitation. I have already done that. So once you click on it again, they will send you another email. This is the second email they will send you about what this tax is all about. Then you will receive another email like this. You click on this sign in to Village Labs. As soon as you click on it, you'll be brought to this page and you'll be asked to fill in this page. So enter your first name, your last name, your email. Your email will automatically appear. You enter your phone number and your password. Then you click on complete registration. So once this is done, you can now go back and sign in into your account. It should automatically log you in. In case you're not logged in, you come to app.villagelabs.net. Then you enter your email to log in. You enter your email. Click on continue with email. Then you log in with email. At this point, you enter your password. Then you click on login. So this is how to sign up on this platform. Once your sign up is completed, the next thing is to perform the tax and start earning on this platform. If you're having any issue signing up, just contact me and I will put you through on the issue that you're having.